welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia Miss Drea. Today we're going to be doing a Temu haul. I'm going to be showing you shoes, purses, glasses, a lot of little knick-knack items that I purchased. I'm so excited to share these items with you. If you have not hit the subscribe button, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I create videos just like this. Okay, let's hop straight into the video. The first item that I purchased is this big furry purse I saw on Temu. I thought this was so stinking cute. And it is. It is a heart purse. And the only thing is it doesn't seem really spacious, so I think really it's just more like decoration. It's cute though. It's soft, it's furry, and I will definitely be carrying this purse. I love it. Now, I did not think that this was going to look like this. Neither did I think that it was going to have some kind of printing on it. But this is like a little, it was like a little purse that you can put on your arm. I can't think of the proper term for it, but, oh, they do have a little strap for it. This is like a small little purse that I saw it, and from what I understood is you put it on your arm for like when you go running or something like that. So that's what really sold me on it, because I like to work out and take my dog to the park. So yeah, I purchased this. They have some kind of little, it says GPN logo on there. I never heard of that. I don't really like that about it, but I would still keep this. It'd be handy to put my phone in and my keys in when I go to the park. So yeah, this was my second purchase. Now, I thought that these were a little bit more pointy, but they weren't. These actually tie up. I think they're still cute, but they're not as pointy as I wanted them to be. But I still will wear them. Definitely church shoes. They're giving church to me. You could dress them up with some jeans, but I'm definitely going to wear them. They kind of give me like an Asian vibe, but I think that they're cute. Super, super cute. So I was pleased with these. All the shoes that I purchased from Temu, I purchased one size up. I'm an 8.5, so I purchased them in a 9. They're all comfortable. Now, I did the same thing on Shein. Some of the shoes were too big, but you know what? I'd rather have shoes that are too big than too small. Because, honey, corns on your feet not no joke. Here's another pair of shoes that I purchased. These were cute. I feel like the heel was a little low, but you know what? Like I said, church, I can pull them off at church. They had this little where you can tie them up in the front. There's a little shoestring. These were cute. They're lace. Of course, like I said, these were 9, so they're pretty big, but we're going to have some comfortable feet. So here's the next item that I purchased. This was cute to me. I feel like with some of the shoes that I purchased, this is a production handbag. Look at the these are the straps that go with them, and yeah, that is so cute to me. I think that going out, running somewhere, having coffee somewhere, you know, or going to, I don't know, going on a date, this is a cute little purse, or just going somewhere, going to a fashion show, this would be perfect. I love this. Now, I think that this is a purse that I purchased only because it was discounted. I think this purse was like $7. So I was like, I'm getting you. Because when I go to work at my regular day, yeah, this is not cute. Y'all know I got to tell you the truth. It looks better on the picture. The strap is cute. Maybe if we put the strap on a different purse. I'm not crazy about the purse though. But you know what? You probably could still pull this purse off and make it. That looks better. Okay, it looks better with the strap on. Okay, I'll take it back. It's not just giving, but at the end of the day, I think it looks better with the strap. So for $7, you can't beat that. Why not? It looks, the brown grabbed my attention because, you know, brown, you really can't tell if it's inexpensive or expensive. But I think it looks cute with that strap. I think the strap made the purse. Maybe that's what made me purchase it. Next item. Okay, so I've been on my little lime green kick. Why? And I know summer is over. Summer is over, but lime green is still in my book. You can pair it with black. You can wear all black and put on some lime green and bam. I'm going to wear this to my favorite restaurant. I go to my favorite restaurant to my Mediterranean restaurant, and baby, I'm gonna be right on time. Okay, so this strap is bent a little bit. I do not like that. So maybe instead of even using the strap, you would have to put the strap back in the purse because the strap is not giving, and just carry it like so. I think it would be cute for a picture. Caution. And then it's got a little, says catwalk in progress. I think it'll still work. It's cute. Just for, it's a fashion purse, just for style. I purchased this. This is imitation for the Marc Jacobs tote bag. This is a dupe. I thought that I purchased the bigger one. Apparently I didn't. This looks like the medium one. And so this is it right here. It's small. It says the boss bag, but I do like the fact that it says the boss bag. And it comes with a strap. I just thought it was a little bit wider, but I would still carry it just because I purchased it. I'm not in love with it, but yeah, that's cute. It'll do. This was my favorite purchase out of everything that I bought. And I know we out of summer, y'all, but baby, I wanted to take a risk on these shoes. Look at these freaking shoes. Girl! And pink is my favorite color. Baby, these are so freaking cute. I just don't even know what to do with myself. Like, these are hot, hot pink. This should have been on the Barbie bus when Barbie came out. But you know what? I don't really care about no Barbie movie because I'm going to do Barbie every chance I get. Whether the movie's out or whether the movie's not out. I'm not hating on the movie now. I love the Barbie movement. But at the same time, we Barbieing all the time. Baby, what? These shoes are giving, girl. Yes, this was my favorite purchase because I absolutely love pink. This is my second favorite purchase. This goes with that bag that I showed y'all. And these fit. They're comfortable. Baby, look at that. And then those, I got some shades from Temu, not Temu, Shein. Baby, I'm going to be lime green and shutting it down on a budget. And cute. Why do people have to act like that when they get excited about stuff? I don't know. But anyway, this is super cute to me. I really, really love these items. This was also another cute little purse. Just something different I wanted to try. It was a strawberry milk purse. I thought this was so freaking cute. I mean, I may be a little too old for a strawberry milk purse, but I'm not drinking strawberry milk. So why not buy a strawberry milk purse? Smart, right? I don't even know if that makes sense. But at the end of the day, I feel like this was super cute. So yeah, this is, oh, I like this. I would carry my strawberry milk purse. And then you just have to put the strap together. I don't know if you need to iron. No, I wouldn't iron them. I'm talking about ironing some straps. No, I wouldn't iron the straps. I would just try to pull the straps out as good as I can. And just let that be. That's cute. Definitely getting carried. I like this. This is cute. Okay, so I purchased some flat fashion glasses also. From Temu. If I can get it unzipped. Ooh, I broke it. Okay, don't matter. We don't need that case no way. And they were nice enough to give us a glass cleaner. Give us a dry cloth. Thank you, Temu. We're not even tripping on anything breaking. Because we know we only probably paid $2 for it anyway. We already know we didn't break the bank. So we gotta be a little merciful to the company. Because they supplying us with affordable stuff. So I'm just being appreciative. These glasses are cute. Serve! I'm serving these glasses. I'm serving. Okay, I really like this. I like colorful. If I put my Shein nails on with these glasses, who's going to tell me anything? Nobody. Ooh, these are cute. I like these. I really do. Oh, I had another pair of shoes and I almost forgot to show y'all. I really felt like I overspent on the shoes on Shein, but now that on Temu, but now that I purchased them, I don't think I did. These were some snake skin. These are cute, except for the zipper, but let's see how this unzips. We need to be careful. We don't want to, look, we just made this investment. Oh, it's got a buckle on here too. So you can just unstrap it, the buckle, and yeah. I think these are cute. I know they will be cute on my feet. Very cute. That's my suggestion. They had these on sale. I purchased these. These are like eyebrow archers, or basically, you know, you can use these to remove facial hair. I got a set of, I'm thinking, is that 10 or 12 of them? 3, 6, 9, 12. Probably paid no more than $2 for them. I did purchase another set of press-on nails. These have those diamonds on them. We'll see how that goes because I wash my hands so much. I also purchased this makeup brush cleaner. This is, of course, in my favorite color, pink. But yeah, I got this and I can start using this to clean my brushes. I also wanted to give some of their lashes a try. These were some lashes that I purchased. So I haven't tried them on, of course, but they look like they're going to be bomb. They look like they're full, they're wispy. So, of course, I can't wait to give these a try. And I know we are, like I said, we are not in summer, but I love slide-in shoes. I could just slide in and run to the store. These were cute to me, and so I purchased them mainly because of the little diamonds and rhinestones on them. But I think that those are really cute. Here's another bag that I purchased. This was like a makeup bag. So I could keep some of my stuff in because I've been collecting so many items, or just keep my, I may just keep all my sunglasses in it. But it says it's a wash bag. It looks cute, nice, spacious. Looks like it's going to hold quite a few items. It's nice and clean. Yeah. Excellent buy from Temu. Then I purchased some of these beauty puffs to apply my makeup with. I have not got on the bus with these, so I wanted to get a pack of them. They were on sale. Wait a minute, we got more glasses, girl. These were plain. I think I'm gonna wear these just on a regular basis, so people will think I wear glasses. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. I like them. Yeah, since I'm not wearing jewelry, I just was like, you know what, I'm going to start wearing glasses. Because the jewelry makes me itch, but the glasses... Well, of course, I heard that they have this special, I guess you would say procedure. Well, I don't know if procedure is the right word. But you can actually get your jewelry dipped in rhodium, and it makes your jewelry hypoallergenic. So I haven't tried that yet. I've got to get me some good jewelry and go and get it done professionally. Of course, you have to go to a jewelry store to do it. And these are the last pair of glasses. These are serving as well. I think these are so freaking cute. I absolutely love these as well. And this is the last item. These are beauty blenders. Uh-oh, did I just get some on there? I think I had makeup on my hand. And these are beauty blenders, yeah. So they're just pink, came in this little container. I just ordered some just because I needed some more. So that's basically it for this haul. I ordered so many items. If you have not watched any of my other hauls, be sure to go back and do so. I love sharing things that I purchased with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have not hit the subscribe button, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I create videos just like this. Now, I also want to invite you to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter if you have not done so. And I cannot end this video without saying a prayer over you. Father, in the name of Jesus, I pray for this individual watching this video, Lord. I pray that you meet their needs, Lord. I pray that you give them peace, Father, in every situation, in every circumstance in their life, Lord. Meet every need, God. Lord, we know that you know all things, Father. You know the secret things, Lord. You know the intricate details of this individual's life, Lord. And I pray that you show up in their life in a supernatural way, Lord, in a way that they've never seen you before, God. We thank you in advance for all that you do, Lord. I give you glory, I give you honor, and I give you praise. In Jesus' invincible name, I pray. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a blessed one.